geht's gut, danke. Und Ihnen?
Es geht mir auch gut. Danke sehr, Riven. Guten Abend, Arushi.
Guten Abend, ma'am.
How are you, Arushi?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Okay, Arushi and Nihab, today we will first practice how are you. How do we say how are you in German? So, as Tia was telling, Tia, what is the date today?
Mittwoch, der
Mittwoch.
zweiter
Yes,
Juni
yes, yes.
2021.
Okay, 2. Juni 2021 and Mittwoch. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so first you don't need to write. I'm going to tell you what is how are you. Yes, even yes?
Yeah, I know it.
Yes, what it is?
Wie geht's dir?
Okay, we get as dear. So dear is informal. And even what is formal? What do you ask me always?
Wie geht's sie?
We get. Tia, can you tell me?
Wie geht?
We get es ihnen. We get as ihnen is formal. Okay. When we are asking someone elder, then we say we get as ihnen.
Can you pronounce it once again?
We get as ihnen. We get as dear. This is basically how are you. There is one more form, short form. We can also say we.
Geht's dir?
Yes. No, we gates.
Yeah.
We gates. So this
We
S is joined there with apostrophe S. We gates.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gates is how are you. We are going to learn the common words. Basically, when we say I am fine, fine, we usually say gut.
Yeah.
You can respond as only gut, or you can say as gate. These are the answers. These are the answers. As gate mir gut. As gate mir gut, I am fine.
And
Okay. You can also write mir geht as gut. What I am doing, I am only interchanging mir and s. So no problem. You can construct it in both ways. In first sentence, I have written s at the first position and mir at the third. And here mir at the first position and s as the at the third position.
How do you say then? Like, suppose someone asks you, "How are you?" and then you say, "I'm fine." Then how do you ask them, like, "And you?"
Und dear, and you is when you are asking informal. This is the word for informal. So we will use und dear, and if you are asking someone formally, then you will say und ihnen.
Ihnen.
Yes, perfect. Okay. And you for informal is und dear, and you for formal is und ihnen. We only know adjective good, right? What else we can say? We can say super. So super is one of them. What else?
Aufgeregt.
Aufgeweckt. Okay, that is a bit difficult. So we will use the easiest one. Tall. Yes.
Yes.
Tall. What is tall even?
It's also smiling.
Okay, it's also, yes, good version, or you can say amazing.
Yeah.
When you say amazing, I'm amazing, then you can say tall. Only word tall. Yes.
Yeah. Traurig.
Traurig. Traurig is, what is traurig?
Sad. Sad.
Sad. Sad. Yes. So I'll make this smiley of okay with blue only. Yes, Tia.
Could we say nicht so gut?
Definitely we can say nicht so gut. So nicht so gut is not so good.
Yeah.
Nicht so gut. Not so good. Okay. If we are saying net, net will be in this category. That means I'm okay, fine. Okay, so great. We are done with the how are you thing. And I hope it's clear to everyone. So we were doing counting yesterday and we will continue and practice the counting. Yes?